Oh my God, you can feel the ground shaking. Oh. Let's see another one of those lightning strikes.
Right there.
Holy shit, get it down! Get down! Get down! You don't want to see it. It's fucking massive.
Down. Look at it.
No, you can see it.
There's a second one about to touch down.
Dude, get back there. Where are we going? Back here. Get back here. Jesus Christ.
I think we need to crack the door. I got two. Hey, keep them on.
I got one in my pocket.
Here, I got another one here.
Shit, it's massive. Oh my God, get down, guys. Be quiet. Be quiet. Oh shit. Dude, hey. Hold on. I got him. Holy shit. It's right outside. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is exactly 5:14. The tornado is passing over us. Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
I love you guys.
I love you guys. Holy shit. Oh my God. Fine. It was good, dog. Come here. Hey, come here. Holy shit. Holy shit. Lulu, hey. Lulu. I got it. Holy shit. Oh God. Windows are going out. Yo, yeah, I got him. Everyone's right. Calm down. It's passing by. Oh shit. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. The water's coming down. The floor's coming down. Be quiet. Sorry. Dude, look at the ceiling. Something fell on your roof, man. I got it. Oh, man. Everyone stay still. Holy shit. Yeah, no, turn that off. I love you.
Still pretty windy out there, but that was fucking shit. Hang on.
Holy shit. Oh my God. The house is destroyed. Oh my God. Look at it. Oh my God. We need to get away from the windows, guys. Back there. Go. Back there.
Get down. Come on.
And
Tree fell. That was a tree.
shit. It's 5:18. Tornado just passed over the house. The house is destroyed. Car is destroyed.
Hey, anybody want
You see the house is completely collapsed.
I got like skateboard helmets.
Oh my God, everything is gone. There's got to be people trapped in there. We got to check on them.
Aaron, you're so well, we got to wait to make sure this. I don't have any cell phones. Does anybody have any cell phones? We can't get.
Oh my God, we got to get check on people.
We got to start going to hell.
All right, Matt, go check on the old lady next door. I'm going, meeting you right here, Michael. It's been approximately like 15 minutes since the tornado. This is 15th Street. See power lines down, everything's destroyed. See Shalotsky's, or whatever it was. Can't tell anymore. Houses right here. I'm going to go down here, show you down towards the neighborhood. Oh my gosh. So much destruction. We're homeless. House is destroyed.
After the tornado.
This is East 14th Street, just a block from the house, about 25 minutes after the tornado hit. This got hit a little bit harder. Fire department banging in doors, trying to check on people. Shit's crazy. I don't know what this guy's doing, running around barefoot. It's kind of crazy. Not a smart thing to do after a tornado. Everything's gone. Just everything destroyed. Here's the house was here. The cars. It's about 25 minutes after the tornado just passed through. You see all the way clear. 15th Street, Tuscaloosa. Nothing left. Everything's gone. Destroyed. People.
That's my room. That's my bed. That fireplace is my home. Are you kidding me? No. This is my car underneath all these trees.
Everything's destroyed. Oh, there's The rescue in green.